Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to math class, Tuesday, March 9th. Today, we will identify two-dimensional shapes. We will sort and label shapes based on attributes. Wonder what that word means. Why? It's important to be able to identify different shapes. Attributes. Say that big word with me. Attributes. Attributes. That means a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. Look at these flowers right here. What is an attribute that all of these flowers have? How can you sort the flowers? It's a characteristic or a trait that they all have. They are all plants. What else? They are all red. That's a very obvious attribute. Okay, they are all flowers. So there are several ways that you can identify objects by their attributes. Two-dimensional, say that with me. Two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means that it is a plain, flat figure that does not have any thickness, and it can be measured in only two faces. It's flat. It has a top and a bottom. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing in between. So these are some examples of two-dimensional shapes. They are flat. They are one-sided. Actually, they're two-sided because there is a back, but you can't, there's no depth. They're just flat. Vertices. Say that word. Vertices. Vertices are the corners where two sides meet. Okay? Vertices starts with a V. So anywhere you see something that kind of looks like a V, that's probably going to be a vertice because it is pointy. It is where two lines meet, and it kind of looks like a V, and vertices starts with a V. These are vertices at the top, the sides of the triangle. These are vertices on the square, where the corners are. They are the pointy corners. That is a vertice. Let's try that again. Say vertices. Very good. Sides. Say sides. Sides are the lines around the shape. So when you draw a line around the shape, you're drawing the sides. The sides are these lines that connect to the vertices. So the sides are the lines around the shape. All these arrows are pointing to the sides. How many sides does this shape have? The purple one. It has 3 sides. How many sides does the red shape have? 4. Very good. Now we have a circle. Say circle. A circle has 0 sides. It has 0 corners. It's round. Okay, everybody go round. A circle is round like a coin. Where have we heard those before? A clock. The little racetrack, the motorcycles going around. That's round like a circle. And the 2 circles at the bottom. Those are circles. They are round. They have 0 sides. They have 0 corners. Circle. Triangle. Say triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 corners, which are 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices and 3 sides. Some examples of triangles are these little triangles at the bottom. A piece of pizza is a triangle shape. The recycle, reuse, reduce, reuse symbol is a triangle. And this is a yield sign. We see those all over the place when we're driving on the road. So it's very important to know what the triangle yield sign means. triangle. Your next word is square. Say square. A square has 4 equal length sides, 4 corners or 4 vertices, and it is also called a special rectangle. So if somebody ever says, square's not a rectangle, you say, oh, yes, it is. It's a special rectangle. Here are some special rectangles, otherwise known as squares, on a checkerboard, on a window pane, and this big blue one right here, square. Rectangle, say rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides. It also has 4 corners or 4 vertices. The opposite sides are the same length. So the ones on the side are the same length, and the ones at the top and the bottom are the same length. Some examples of rectangles are computer monitors, iPhones, and doors. This door has rectangles on the door. Rectangle. Now let's look at these shapes. How are these shapes alike? How are they the same? Think about that for a minute. What's one way we can sort them? We can put the red ones over here and the green ones over here. Yep, we can do that. What's another way we can sort them? This one has straight sides, and this one has straight sides, and this one does not. So how are these shapes different? If we're going to sort them like this, there must be something different. What was different about these shapes? There's 2 different colors. And this one these have straight sides. How many sides does a circle have? Remember? 0. 0 like a circle. 0 sides, 0 vertices. Okay. Is there another way we could sort these shapes? Maybe. Now we are going to use the pen tool to circle the shapes that have 4 sides. So look for the shapes that have 4 sides, and you're going to use the pen to circle them. This page, you're going to use the pen tool and circle the shapes that have 3 vertices. Remember what the vertices are. The pointy corners. The last page, you're going to use the pen and circle the shapes that are not curved. They are not curved. So what did you learn today? We learned a lot of new stuff. Let's go back and review our vocabulary words. Attributes. Say attributes. Attributes are a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. Two-dimensional. Say two-dimensional. A flat, plain figure or shapes that do not have any thickness and can be measured only in 2 faces, top and bottom, front and back. Vertices. Say vertices. These are the corners where the 2 sides meet. They're pointy. They look like a V. Sides. Say sides. Sides are the lines around the shape. Circle. Say circle. A circle has no sides, it has no corners, and it is round. Triangle. Say triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and it looks like this. Square. Say square. A square has 4 equal length sides, 4 vertices and is called a special rectangle. Rectangle. Say rectangle. It has 4 sides. It has 4 vertices. And it has opposite sides that are equal length. These sides are equal and these sides are equal. All right, when you are finished with your assignment, make sure you save it and turn it in to your teacher. Then there is a fun new shapes video to watch, 10 minutes of extra math, 10 minutes of iStation math, and then if your teacher allows, here are some added math apps to visit. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.